Can I have that?
Here we have a ruby macaw. Rubies are a hybrid between a scarlet and a green wing. This baby This baby hatched on March 30th, 2013.
Uh-oh.
She's been sexed a female. She's been hand-fed since hatched.
Ready? You ready? Whee! Oh, yeah. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Are you? Are you a good girl? Yeah, you just want to lay around. You ready? Ta-da. Whee! Ta-da. 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 Good job. Good job.
This bird is banded.
With the feather and fur band. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Hug. Oh. You be easy. Good job. You be easy. Easy.
We have lots of baby pictures posted on the internet of this baby. To see more of her or any of our other birds, go to www.corbettbirds.com or like us on Facebook at Corbett Birds.